Hey team. So I'm on my lunch break right now with at my other job, and I printed out this fancy worksheet that Whitney graciously gave us. I want to make sure you guys' names are even on here. Leandra, I see Ashley. Okay. So this is a much bigger group than what we're used to with the 21 days. So I thought this was a really great time to tell you guys about Hootsuite, because Hootsuite schedules out our posts and for us in the group. And I want us to look professional. I want us to look organized, but let's face it, behind the scenes, we're like a crazy mess, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to log on to Hootsuite this weekend, and we are going to schedule out all of our posts that we're assigned to. So the first thing I want you guys to do is print this out and circle all of your names. And then you're going to go to hootsuite.com, and I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to walk you through the first couple steps. Okay, so I think you guys can see my screen. So what I did was I logged in already, but it's hootsuite.com, and then it will ask you to log in, and I logged in through Facebook. So I just put in my Facebook password, and that way it connects you with all the groups that you have. So here I am connecting with Facebook, and I'm putting in my Facebook password. And then it comes up, which Facebook accounts do you want to add? So for the free Hootsuite account, you can only add one. So if you have other groups going right now, you have the upgrading and actually paying for Hootsuite. But if you want to keep it free, you make sure all of your other groups are unclicked. So before this video, I had trouble selecting Self-Love Fit Club because I had other groups checked on for previous challenge groups that I did, and I didn't realize that. So I went in and had to uncheck it. So if you already have Hootsuite and you're having trouble adding Self-Love Fit Club, it might be because you have to unclick the other groups. Okay, so I'm selecting that one. It's kind of a funky website. It took me a while to figure it out, and it's been a while since I've used it. So what I'm going to do is, this was like 3 pages long, but I just found one page. And let's say, let's say we're going to post a recipe. Because a lot of these have maybe pictures that you can do the day of, which is great, but the ones that are just facts, especially like the 5 a.m. posts, she has at the top, like, post your intentions for the day. So let's see. I'm just going to pick a date that I haven't scheduled out yet. 4/18 is a morning post. So I am going to... You can tell I forget how to do this. Okay, up here. Sorry. Self-Love Fit Club. So I'm going to make that my favorite. And here's my message. So let's say I didn't have anything prepared. Well, let's do what we normally do. Let's see. So I'm going to click on we have our new website. Okay, so I'm going to go to the coach office, and I want to support. I'm trying to get to all the challenge group posts. Here we go. Challenge group tools. Click on that. Challenge group guides. So I'm going to say that Whitney asked me to post something about Shakeology. So I'm going to, and there's so many different ways that you can, product guide. I don't think I wanted product guide. You know, you can obviously speak from experience. You can post something from the Beachbody Facebook page or Shakeology Facebook page. I like these, so I'm just going to scroll down until I find something cool about Shakeology. A success story. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to right-click the image. I'm going to save the image to my desktop. So I'm clicking on my desktop, and I'm going to say, I'm going to call this my 4-9. Okay, I'm going to save it. I'm going to go back up here. And I copy. Then I go to Hootsuite and I paste. Okay. So, and then I'm going to add an attachment because I'm going to add my photo, right? So choose to upload photo. And where is our before and after? Okay, so again, this is super generic. Beachbody always asks you to like use their post as a backbone and then try to tailor it, like make it more personal. But for this instance, we are using a success story, so I want to use the content that they gave. And this is just an example. Oh no, where'd she go? Oh no. Okay, here. Okay. So now we're going to click on this little button for scheduling. So here is where I get 30 messages, which I think will cover our challenge group. And I'm going to post mine on 4/9. So I'm going to go to April 9th. And then she wants me to post at 12 p.m. And then you hit schedule. At least one social network to post from. I already did that. Okay, so you just have to highlight it. I'm going to try to add my, why not? Add my Instagram. You guys can always use these posts like multiple times because you're going to be attracting different people. You know, this post that you're doing is for the closed group for 80-day session, but you could also post it on your personal page. So for the people who didn't join your group, they can see like what you're continuing to do, and they might want in. You can add them in at any time. So I have 2 things scheduled, and I hit schedule, and oh, so I can't use Instagram. You need to set up publishing to share with Instagram. Okay, I'll do this later. So here you can see that I have 1 thing scheduled for the Self-Love Fit Club to post on April 9th at 12 p.m. Now, your homework for this weekend is to sit down for however long it takes, probably an hour since it's your first time, but you're investing in your business, and do this. Schedule out your posts and find images. And then what you can do too is back up your posts with live videos. So one of the funny things she has is like pick up 5 pieces of trash today. So when I schedule a post, I might go to Google and Google images like picking up trash. and might find a great quote or like write a little caption about how important it is to take care of our environment and our community. And then my post is scheduled, and then on that day, I could go live and or post a funny picture and of me actually doing it. Okay, so sorry for the long video, but I just wanted to teach you guys something. I want to make you better coaches. I want to have an amazing 2018, and I want you guys all to be super successful. So I want to share with you everything that I've learned, and hopefully to make your lives easier and less crazy and more fun. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.